Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with my Creative Times design team project. And I'm just going to jump right in. So I am using this coffee bean card stamp and die set. I'm actually using the stamps. Let me just show you that there. And I'm using Coffee Is On Me. And then we have the Flower Wagon add-on plate die, and I'm using two of the flowers from here. The giant ginger accessories, and I'm using the coffee die along with its accessories. And from the rectangle frame die layers, I'm using the largest die. And then I'm also using this coffee background embossing folder. Really cute. I like that embossing folder. And then this is something that's in her retirement area, and it's called the Coffee Flower Script. And this stamp also comes with a die. This is a very cute stamp. I love how it colored up. I love all the detail that she has within this flower. It's so pretty. And then you can use that little background die anywhere. It's a great price right now, so I would advise you to pick it up because it's so cute. And then the last thing that I am using is her Etched Edge Z-fold card, and I am using the gift card add-on out of that. And this is how my card turned out. I love how I colored it. It is so pretty. It's such a pretty card. I did heat emboss it. You can probably tell from the little sheen on there. And then there goes that background embossing folder. I thought it was a perfect touch. Coffee Is On Me, and I just trimmed that out. And then I colored up the coffee cup to try and match the leaves and the plant. And then I love it. And then that touch of red is just perfect. And I added those little flowers on to go along with that. But I love how this turned out. And I did something kind of unusual. I used two different colors in the background, just get a little contrast of both colors there. And then there goes the inside right there. I didn't put a stamp in there. I don't know who it's going to, or you know what I'm going to write, but I did put a little coffee gift card in there. So really, really cute. So that's what I have for you. Make sure you head over to My Creative Time. Check out some of the things that she has in her shop. You can use my code MOE for 10% off your total purchase, or on release weekends, it is 15% off, or you can use any of the other designers. That's all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone, for stopping by. You all have a blessed and crafty day.